Hello dear children, welcome back. Let's begin the new chapter in history, that is chapter 10. And the title of this chapter is Displacing Indigenous People. Children, before going to begin this chapter, let us understand what is the meaning of indigenous. If we see the literary meaning of this word, then we find that people living in the place where from they are originally. Now, the synonym of this word is native. It means we can conclude one more title for this chapter, that is Displacing Native Peoples. Now, how does this displacement take place? That we are going to understand with a different theme in this chapter. Here, there are so many countries from where we will come to know that how people from their own place, those were native, became a stranger, and the migrants, they occupied their areas and they established the majority over there. So let us begin with this. To know more about the chapter, let us understand what are the sources. Oral of history natives, historical and fiction work written by natives, and galleries and museum of native art. America, home to the beautiful sights in the world, it consists of tall mountains, dense forests, and arid deserts. Prior to the arrival of Europeans, Native Americans have habited in every region to the Arctic and south to the America. Some nations can be very powerful. They construct joint temples to worship their gods, even sacrifice thousands of the people. Others live nomadically throughout the other lands of the America. Some nations were peaceful while other nations destructed the peace of the nation. It was rich with art and architecture and its regional culture. Around 27,000 years ago, the first man crossed the America. He walked across the stretch land called Barren Land. It had inhabited with many different wild animals. This man not only lived into the America but also crossed Americans. It was not a single batch but different ethnic group immigrating thousands of years. Though the first men come across 25,000 years ago with the evidence of their settlement and stone tools were being found along with it. These people were very good hunters, used to fulfill their requirements by hunting them. Those different tribes made journey towards the America and established their massive empire. First topic is European impartment. The American Empire of Spain, Portugal did not expand after the 17th century. During that time, other countries like France, Holland, and Britain began to extend trade activities and establish colonies in America, Africa, and Asia. Ireland also was virtually a colony of England. As the landowners, there were mostly the English settlers. Prospect of profit drove people to establish colonies. Nature of the power in South Asia defeated rulers, retained administrative system, collected taxes and built railways to make trade easier, excavated mines and establishing the big plantation. Africa was divided as colony among the Europeans. Let us see the comparative study between American natives and European natives. They were uncivilized nobles wait. To the natives, the goods they exchanged with the European were the gifts given in friendship. They were not aware of the market. They were not happy with the greed of the Europeans. The natives were afraid that the animals would take revenge for this destruction as the Europeans slaughtered hundreds of beavers for fur. They identified forest tracks invisible to the Europeans. Accounts of historical anecdotes were recorded by each tribe. Let us see the features of European natives. They were civilized in the terms of literacy and organized religion and urbanism. Gifts were commodities which they would sell for a profit. They assessed everything with the value in the market. To get furs, they had slaughtered hundreds of the beavers. They killed wild animals to protect farms. European imagined the forest to be the converted into green cornfields. That's all in this module, dear children. Remaining topic we are going to cover in the rest of the modules. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Children, let us do some questionnaire. Which three European nations began to increase their trading activity after 17th century? France, Holland and England, England, Poland and Portugal, Duchess, France and Spain, or none of these. Now, next question is, what are the various terms used to describe the native people of New World? Aborigine, Aboriginal, First Nation people, Indigenous people, Native Americans and Red Indians. Native, strangers and foreigners, Indigenous people and native, or none of these. Answer all these questions in comment. Thank you for watching.